Have you ever bought a pair of beautiful white pants, only to leave them sitting in your closet for months, untouched, tags still on? You're not alone. So many women over 50 tell me the same thing. I love the look, but I'm afraid they'll make me look bigger, older, or just out of place. At Chic Over 50, I hear you and I want you to know this. White pants are not the problem. The real issue is how we've been told to wear them often in ways that no longer suit our bodies, our lifestyles, or our confidence. But with the right styling tricks, white pants can be one of the most flattering, elegant, and versatile pieces in your wardrobe. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 simple, timeless tips that will help you rediscover the beauty of white on your terms, for your age, and with your personal style. Let's turn those pants you've been avoiding into the piece you reach for again and again. Let's begin. Trick 1. Choose flare pants for an impeccable fit. Have you ever slipped into a pair of white pants, looked in the mirror, and thought, this just doesn't look right? That frustration is more common than you think. As we get older, our bodies shift, soften, and settle into new shapes. But most pants on the market still follow a pattern made for younger silhouettes: slim, tight, and often unforgiving. Here's the secret I give to you. Trade those skinny white jeans for a beautiful pair of flares or bootcut trousers. Why? Because they respect your shape. The gentle flare balances out curves and draws the eye downward, creating a long, elegant line from waist to toe. It's an instant lift, not just to your legs, but to your confidence. Look for high-rise or mid-rise styles that offer light support and structure. Fabrics with 2% to 4% stretch are ideal. They move with you, not against you. A soft stretch blend hugs without squeezing and keeps its shape all day. And don't forget length. Your flares should graze the top of your shoes, whether you wear flats or a modest heel. When it comes to tops, structure is your best friend. Pair your white flares with a cotton poplin blouse, a short-sleeve jacket, or a light sweater with shape. A defined upper half paired with a flowing lower half creates harmony and polish. For a softer, dressier look, try white flares in twill or ponte knit. I love styling them with a silk blouse and a light cardigan around the shoulders. Simple, refined, and timeless. One small but important tip: check the pocket lining. It should lie flat and remain invisible. A bulky pocket can ruin the whole silhouette. Flare pants don't just look elegant, they feel empowering. They meet your body where it is, not where it used to be. And once you've found the perfect fit, let's talk color. Because up next, we'll explore why earth tones bring warmth, richness, and effortless elegance to your white pants. Trick 2. Adopt earth tones for an elegant look. White pants are like a blank canvas, and what you pair them with makes all the difference. Many women over 50 shy away from them because they feel too stark or too young. But the real issue often lies not in the pants, but in what colors we match with them. Here's what I want you to know. Earth tones are your white pants' best friend. Think caramel, warm taupe, soft sand, muted rust, even a gentle olive. These hues flatter mature skin beautifully, adding warmth and depth without shouting for attention. While bright colors can sometimes feel too intense or dated, earth tones blend softly, creating harmony. They allow white to stay crisp while softening the overall look, like pairing sunlight with gentle shade. Try a lightweight caramel cardigan over a white tank and your white pants. Add a soft beige loafer and gold jewelry. Suddenly, you've created an outfit that feels effortless but looks refined. Or consider a linen shirt in dusty terracotta paired with white jeans and a straw tote. It's casual, but it whispers sophistication. Earth tones don't age you, they ground you. And when paired with white, they help you glow from the inside out. Next, we'll explore how to bring classic black into the mix without feeling harsh or too high contrast. Let's elevate your white pants with one of fashion's most timeless pairings. Trick 3. Combine with black for a classic and sophisticated style. Black and white, the most timeless combination in fashion. But after 50, many women feel unsure about it. The contrast can seem harsh, even aging, if not styled thoughtfully. The good news is, black and white can still be elegant and flattering. It's all about balance and softness. Start by choosing black tops in flowing fabrics like silk, crepe, or jersey. These materials move with you and soften the contrast. Pair with your white pants, preferably a flare or wide leg cut to elongate the body and create graceful lines. I want to share this with you. It's not just about color, but texture and proportion. A black silk blouse with an open neckline, tucked into white pants, instantly feels polished. Add a delicate gold necklace or pearl earrings, and the whole outfit lights up without overwhelming. If you're layering, try a tailored black blazer or cardigan over a simple white tee. Keep it soft and slightly structured, not too stiff. Complete the look with nude or metallic accessories. They help bridge the contrast and add warmth. Footwear matters too. Swap heavy black shoes for black loafers or ballet flats with feminine touches. Gold detail, pointed toe, or patent shine. It makes all the difference. Black and white doesn't have to feel cold. When you pair them with intention and softness, they become effortlessly modern and deeply chic. Next, let's explore the power of light-toned accessories and how they can lift your entire look, especially with white pants. Stay with me. Trick 4. Choose shoes, bags, and belts in light tones. One of the most common styling mistakes I see with white pants is pairing them with dark, heavy accessories. Black shoes, deep brown belts, oversized charcoal bags. They might seem like safe choices, but they often break the flow of your look. Instead of elongating your silhouette, they cut it off visually. That's not what we want, especially as we look for softer, more refined ways to dress. I want to share with you something simple but powerful. Light-toned accessories are your best ally when wearing white. Think nude sandals, beige flats, ivory belts, straw or light tan handbags. These pieces help create continuity from top to bottom. They keep your outfit airy and graceful, especially when the base is already light. For shoes, try nude flats or open-toe sandals that match your skin tone. They'll make your legs look longer and leaner without drawing unnecessary attention to your feet. Even a subtle metallic, like champagne gold or soft bronze, adds a bit of polish without adding weight. With belts, choose something slim and tonal like a soft taupe or blush. A wide, dark belt can feel bulky and disrupt the balance of your look, but a lighter one defines the waist in a gentle, flattering way. And bags, a woven straw tote, a cream crossbody, or a light gray leather clutch all are beautiful companions to white pants. These textures and colors give the outfit depth while keeping it fresh and seasonal. What I love most about light-toned accessories is how easily they mix and match with the rest of your wardrobe. They don't overpower, they complement, and they make your white pants look intentional, not intimidating. Coming up next, we'll explore a playful twist, nautical-inspired looks with stripes and seaside flair, perfect for days when you want a touch of elegance with a hint of adventure. Let's dive in. Trick 5. Incorporate stripes and nautical accessories for a coastal look. The coastal look is timeless crisp, fresh, and easy to wear. When styled right, it brings elegance with a relaxed, effortless feel. And paired with white pants, it becomes a go-to for chic, casual dressing after 50. A navy and white striped top is the perfect starting point, but instead of thin, busy stripes, go for medium or wide ones. They're more flattering and polished. A boat neck or button-up in soft cotton or linen works beautifully and adds structure without stiffness. To complete the look, layer a navy cardigan or sweater over your shoulders. It creates that casual sophistication, relaxed but thoughtful. Add gold hoop earrings or a delicate chain for a subtle, feminine accent. Accessories bring personality. A silk scarf with rope or anchor prints tied on your bag or wrist adds charm without going overboard. Pair the outfit with tan espadrilles, cream sneakers, or nude flats. And a straw or woven tote finishes the look with just the right texture. What I love about this style is that it feels both timeless and seasonless. It works for brunches, daytime outings, even relaxed dinners. It's easy, flattering, and full of character, perfect for the woman who values comfort and quiet confidence. Up next, we'll explore the all-white, monochromatic look. It may sound bold, but with the right textures and shades, it can be one of the most sophisticated style choices you'll ever make. Let's take a look. Trick 6. Go for monochromatic looks. Wearing all white might sound intimidating at first, like something only models or celebrities can pull off. But when done thoughtfully, a monochromatic white look can be one of the most elegant and flattering choices for women over 50. The key isn't perfection, it's harmony. Instead of trying to match every shade of white exactly, lean into soft variation. Combine white jeans with an off-white silk blouse or a cream knit sweater. This layering of subtle tones creates visual depth and avoids the stiff, uniform feel. It's not about looking clinical, it's about looking composed and radiant. I want to encourage you to experiment with textures. A blend of linen, cotton, and soft knit adds richness and interest. For example, white trousers with a silky blouse and a lightweight cardigan in a barely there ivory feels fresh, clean, and undeniably chic. Accessories in pearl, soft metallics, or muted beige work beautifully here. They add polish without breaking the tone. A slim belt in champagne or bone helps define the waist without interrupting the flow. One of my clients once told me she thought white made her look bigger. But when we styled her in a soft white layered outfit with thoughtful fit and texture, she looked taller, slimmer, and more importantly, confident. That's the quiet power of a well-executed monochromatic look. So if you've ever thought white isn't for me, I invite you to try it again this time, with intention and ease. And now, let's bring a little joy into the mix. In the next section, we'll talk about how adding vibrant colors to your white pants can lift your mood, brighten your skin, and make your style feel full of life. Let's dive into color. Trick 7. Revitalize white pants with vibrant blouses. After 50, many women are told to tone it down to stick with neutrals, to avoid standing out. But I believe the opposite can be true. Sometimes, adding a bold, beautiful color is exactly what you need to feel alive and radiant. And white pants, they're the perfect backdrop to let that color shine. Rich, vibrant tones like cherry red, cobalt blue, emerald green, or deep coral do wonders for mature skin. They brighten the face, lift the energy of your outfit, and bring joy back into dressing. The key is choosing shades that complement your skin's undertone, warmer colors for golden skin, cooler ones for pinkish tones. Start simple. Try a blouse in your favorite bold color with your white pants. A V-neck or soft drape around the neckline adds movement and draws attention upward, where it belongs. Finish the look with simple, neutral accessories, nude flats, pearl studs, or a light-toned bag to let the color do the talking. One of my favorite combinations is white trousers with a magenta blouse, paired with beige sandals and a soft pink lip. It's fresh, approachable, and full of quiet confidence. And if you're not ready for full color up top, start with a printed scarf or a vibrant cardigan over a white tank. Even a hint of color near your face can transform how you feel and how others see you. Style after 50 isn't about fading into the background. It's about knowing what lights you up and wearing it proudly. So there you have it, 7 simple, elegant ways to make white pants not just wearable, but wonderful. The right fit, the right color pairings, and a few thoughtful accessories can completely transform how you feel in them. Remember, style after 50 isn't about hiding or shrinking. It's about embracing who you are with confidence, grace, and a little fun. If this video inspired you to pull those white pants out of the closet and give them new life, I'd love to hear about it. Tell me in the comments, which trick are you excited to try first? And if you'd like more style ideas tailored for women like us women who are still evolving, still glowing, then I invite you to subscribe to Chic Over 50. I share weekly tips to help you dress not younger, but better. Thanks for spending time with me today. I'll see you in the next video.